So similarly, to understand this, cloaking is a technique which uses masks or it uses two faces. So when we talk about cloaking, cloaking in English means you are hiding something or there is a cover under which there is something. So to understand cloaking, let us take an example of mask. Whenever we wear a mask, there are two faces. One of the mask that is visible to others, and when we take off our mask, another face is visible. So similarly, to understand this, cloaking is a technique which uses masks or it uses two faces. One face is for the user. For example, I have typed something that I want to know about as a user on Google. The information, if that website has been cloaked, the information that will come to me will be different than what will go to the search engine crawlers. For example, I have typed that I want to know about search engine optimization, but there are a few websites that are spam, that are illegal. They will have, for me, they will show me the link of SEO because they have the keywords for it. At the web crawler's end, at the search engine end, there will be some other information, and that is quite illegal in the sense that when I click that button, it will definitely not take me to what I want. It will take me to something else, and most of the times that link is flashy images or indecent videos that we might not want to see. So basically, one face is for the users and the other one is for the search engine. So why they do it for the search engine crawlers? If I am Google right now, and the content that if a website is closed, the content that will be visible to me will be a good content. Because I will use it further to generate your ranking, and to me it will be deception because you will give me the false content and basically to impress me to gain your ranking. So it will be a deception for me, and it is illegal because it fools the search engine. But that is the in between deception that cloaking creates, and that is why it is illegal. And just to generate ranking and just to be popular, the cloaking is done so that I am deceived and also the search engine is deceived, so that it remains on the top of all the searches. And whenever we search for it, it takes us to something that we don't want to see, but it will come on the top because it is deceiving us. So, in disguise of a good link, basically, it takes us to something entirely different.